Are you frustrated because your Angular application isn't auto-reloading? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and get your development environment running smoothly. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you make changes to your code, only to find that your browser isn't reflecting those updates. It can feel like you're stuck in a loop, right? You're definitely not the only one facing this. Let's dive into the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, "Why isn't my Angular application auto-reloading when I run the ngserve command?" They mentioned that they have to manually refresh the browser, which is a hassle. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this auto-reload issue? It could be due to several factors, such as file watching settings, caching issues, or even problems with your Angular configuration. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of auto-reloading not working, the user should first check if the Angular CLI is installed correctly. They can do this by running a specific command in the terminal. Next, the user should verify that the file watching feature is enabled. This can be done by checking the Angular configuration file for specific settings. If the file watching feature is enabled but the issue persists, the user should consider checking their system's file watching limits. This can be adjusted in the terminal. Finally, if none of the previous steps resolve the issue, the user can try running the Angular serve command with additional options to force the reload. Fun fact: did you know that the first web browsers didn't even support auto-refresh? We've come a long way, but sometimes we still face these little hiccups. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user is to enable the compile on save option. They found that setting this option to true in the tsconfig.json file resolved the auto-reload issue. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a few commands to resolve the auto-reload issue. First, they recommend removing the node modules folder with the command rm-rf node modules. Then run npm update followed by npm install to refresh your dependencies. Finally, start the server again using ngserve-o. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. One user found a solution by increasing the maximum number of file watchers. They suggest modifying the system configuration to allow more watches, which can help with auto-reloading issues. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One user found that their auto-reload issue was due to using Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL, to run commands on a project located in a Windows directory. They resolved the problem by moving the project directory to the WSL directory. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the command ngserve with an additional option. They suggest adding nice_poll equals 1000 to the command. This option helps in polling for changes every second, which can resolve the auto-reload issue. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly update your Angular CLI and check your configurations. Keeping everything up to date can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your Angular application should be auto-reloading now. Remember, keeping your tools updated is key to a smooth development experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.